Yes, good morning, children. Yesterday we started the chapter Learning to be a Lady. So, Learning to be a Lady is a play you can see, and the characters are Higgins, Pickering, and Eliza. Eliza is a flower girl who has a particular accent, or you can say a peculiar accent, and Mr. Higgins and Pickering. They tried their best to teach her how to speak English, how to speak proper English. So, this is a chapter about. So, scene 1 and 2 we have read. In that, Eliza is trying to speak some words, but she was speaking totally different. And in the last, she went to bed to go to sleep. And all the servants in the house, they were singing a song and they were making a fun of Professor Higgins. Now we are going to start scene number 3. The spotlight goes off, the servants disappear and the lights come up in the study. Pickering is seated in his favorite chair with a large and fulsome tea table before him. Eliza is on the sofa. Higgins is standing by the xylophone, a cup in one hand, a xylophone mallet is the other. He taps out 8 notes. Now they are playing the xylophone, a musical instrument, xylophone. Higgins, kind of you, kind of you, kind of you. Now listen, Eliza, he plays them again. How kind of you to let me come. Eliza, how kind of you to let me come. Higgins puts down the mallet in despair and walks over to tea table. No, kind of you. It's just like a cup of tea. Kind of you. Cup of tea. Kind of you. Say cup of tea. Eliza hungrily. Cup of tea. Higgins, no. A cup of tea. Takes a mouthful of cake from the tray. It's a awful good cake. I wonder why, Mr. Pierce? That's it. Pickering, Mum. First rate, the strawberry tarts and delicious. And did you try the plain cake? Higgins looks at him in horror and then turns to Eliza. Higgins, now try it again, Eliza. A cup of tea, a cup of tea. Eliza longingly, a cup of tea. Means they were teaching the girl some particular lines, but the girl was not speaking them properly. So in this line we have seen. Now see the next. It's a humor. Humorous lines are there. Eliza, her attention is only on the cake in Higgins' hand. Cup. Higgins, now say off. Eliza, off. Higgins, now say cup, 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 off. Eliza is also saying the say cup off. Pickering, and she is practicing. By Jove, that a glorious tea, Higgins. Do finish the strawberry tart. I couldn't eat another thing. Higgins, no thanks, old cheap, really. And you see, Eliza's eyes light up hopefully, but alas, Higgins walks right past her and goes to the bird cage. And see, these are the sounds of Eliza. Ow! The lights black out and the servants again appear in the spotlight. And they are again singing the same. See, now they are singing. Poor Professor Higgins, on he plods against all odds. Oh, poor Professor Higgins, 9 p.m., 10 p.m. on through midnight every night, 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3, and they are keep on singing. And it's over scene 3, and now we are going to start scene number 4. The spotlight goes off, the servants disappear, and the lights come up again in the study. Eliza is seated in the wing chair. Hingis has drawn up the stool and is facing her, a small box of marbles in his hands. He is placing them in her mouth. Higgins, 4, 5, 6 marbles. There we are. He holds up a slip of paper. Now, what they are going to read? Higgins, I cannot understand a word, not a word. Eliza, her anger coming through the marble and flower pots with blackest moss. The flower pots were thickly custard, one and all. His rusted nails fell from the knots that held the pair. And in this way she is keep on speaking. And now see, again it is the song. The servants are singing. Quit, Professor Higgins. Quit, Professor Higgins. Here our play. Our play, Davy. Will quit, Professor Higgins. I not I or not ow. Pounding, pounding in our brain. I not I or not ow. Don't say rain, say rain. And now see, again it is the same. Yes, this page we are going to start. Conquer, Eliza, and conquer it will you will. He rises, goes to the chair behind his desk, and seats himself heavily. Now try it again. Eliza slowly. The rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain. Hing is sitting up. What's that? Eliza. The rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain. Higgins rising unbelievingly again, because it was very difficult that they could make understand Eliza, but she was speaking now, and they all were surprised, especially Higgins. Eliza, the rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain. Higgins to Pickering, I think she's got it. I think she's got it. Means Higgins was very happy, and he was telling to Pickering that now the girl was able to speak properly. Eliza, the rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain. Higgins. Sorry for disturbance. Okay, now continues. Eliza on the plain, Higgins, and where is that soggy plain? Eliza, in Spain. Pickering jumps on his feet, and the three sing out joyously. And all the three, they are very happy because now Eliza was able to speak English properly. And the rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain. The rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain. Higgins walks excitedly to the xylophone. And see, he has gone to the xylophone for playing. Higgins in Hereford and Hemisphere. Eliza, hurricanes hardly happen. Higgins taps out, how kind of you to let me come. How kind of you to let me come means how this all happened. He is very excited to know all the things. Eliza, how kind of you to let me come. She was repeating the same lines. Higgins, putting down the mallet and turning back to her. Now, once again, where does it rain? Eliza, on the plane, on the plane. Higgins, and where is that plane? Eliza, in Spain, in Spain. And all the three are singing now together. The rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain. The rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain. Joy and victory means all the three were very happy. Higgins takes a handkerchief from his pocket and waves it in front of Pickering, who charges at it like the finest bull in Spain. Higgins turns and grabs Eliza, and they do a few awkward tango steps, while Pickering jumps around like a flamenco dancer shouting Viva means all are very much happy. Higgins Viva. Higgins swings Eliza onto the sofa and joins Pickering in a bit of heel clicking. All are very much happy. Eliza jumps and they all are singing together. And the same line, the rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain. The rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain. And ultimately they were able to teach the girl how to speak correct English. And this is the end of the chapter. So it's bye for today. Bye students.